How to rotate a video on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to rotate a video on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first option that I'll suggest is make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have done that, simply open your TikTok app and then press on the plus button found on the bottom mid of your screen. And then once you have clicked that, what you're going to do is to simply record a video, or you may also upload a video. So let's say for example, if you want to upload, simply click on upload right here and then choose the video that you want. For example, I will choose this one. Once you have chosen a video, click on next right here on the lower right corner of the screen and then click on adjust clips right here. So click on adjust clips and make sure to click on your clip right here, and then you may be able to see the rotate button right here. So click on rotate and then you may click it again and again. And then let's say, for example, that you click the rotate button several times. You may be able to click on the undo button right here. So you may click the undo button or the redo button right here. So again, click on the clip first and then click on rotate. And as you can see right here, there is the angle of your video. So once you're done, click on save found on the upper right corner of the screen. And then you may now add your text, stickers, etc. and click on next and upload your video. That's it. That's how you can rotate a video on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.